Okay, now the solutions to question 11. Okay, first we are asked if the loan is taken over 5 years, the total amount payable is 6575.92. Show that the initial loan amount is 6,000. Okay, first what we do is that the loan amount, okay, the payable amount is this 6575.92, and we just plug in the values. Eventually you just take this, just simple algebraic manipulation, you show that P is equals to 6,000. For A part 2, if the amount payable, okay, if the loan of 6,000 is taken for 10 years, giving your answer correct to the nearest cent. So 10 years, simply put, the T will be equals to 10 over here like this. So just plug into your calculator, you find that the amount payable will be 7207.12, 2 decimal places for money. Part 3. Many of you did not form the inequality there. You went to put the equal sign. Okay, that's actually wrong. Because they want to say, they actually ask you to find the minimum number of years for which a total amount payable exceeds 10,000. So the word exceeds gives you a clue that it should be an inequality there where the amount here exceeds greater than 10,000. So solving, you divide both sides of the equation by 6,000. Okay, we get this. You simplify 10,000 over 6,000 to get 5 over 3. Taking the logarithms on both sides, okay, you can apply the power law. So T times log 1.0185 is greater than logarithm of 5 over 3. Dividing both sides of the equation by logarithm of 1.0185, you get T is greater than 27.86. Of course, they will say that if you have to exceed that, so therefore you need 28 years, because 27.86 will be just equals to 10,000. Okay, so now we want it to be greater than that, so it must be 28 years. B part 1. Okay, B part 1, we start to solve. Actually, this is quite a simple logarithmic question. Alright, first, right, we notice all the base is 2, so that is simple enough. I apply the power law here. So this thing becomes logarithm base 2x plus 1 square. Okay, I just manipulate my equation. Okay, this term, okay, comes over here. So what we get is we use the laws of logarithms, we apply it, we get logarithm 5 minus x plus 1 squared to the base of 2 is equals to 1. I simply apply, okay, change this logarithmic form into the index form over here like this. You multiply both sides of the equation by x plus 1 squared. You get this thing here. Eventually you get 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. I've of course skipped a few steps, but this is simple algebraic manipulation which I shall not explain further. You do the factorization, you get half or negative 3. Similar to modulus questions, you notice that we actually take the negative 3, you plug it back into the original equation to check if it's a valid solution or not. In this case, negative 3 plus 1 over here, you cannot take the logarithm of a negative number, hence negative 3 is rejected. And that is it for 11b part 1. Okay, now we have 11b part 2 where we have to solve the equation. Okay, now notice for logarithms here in this case there is base 9, okay, and the other term is log x base 27. So we will have to effect a change of base in this case. So I changed it to logarithm base of 9. Okay, please remember, okay, how this is done. Logarithm x base 9, logarithm 27 base 9. Okay, down here 27 can be expressed as 9 to the power of 3 over 2. Go figure that out. Okay, I apply the power law, you get 3 over 2 logarithm 9 base 9. Logarithm of 9 to the base of 9 is actually 1. So here what I gotten is logarithm x base 9 divided by 3 over 2. This term here becomes 1. Okay, so this will become over here. If you notice, I multiplied throughout by 3. Okay, we will simplify this equation here to get 3 logarithm x base 9 minus 2 logarithm x base 9 is equals to 3 over 9. Down here simply I've converted it into the index form as above, and you will solve to get x equals to 2.08. Okay, maybe I would like to explain here a bit further. If you notice, logarithm x base 9, you get 3 over 2, okay, times 1. This will actually be equals to 2 logarithm x base 9 over 3. That is why just now I multiplied throughout by 3, okay, to get to this portion here. Beyond that, the solution is quite self-explanatory, and we are done for question 11b part 2.